afternoon, everyone. My name is Adam. Welcome back to the Stockhours YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over my trades that I took today on September the 8th, 2022. I did take 3 trades today, so I'm going to be giving you a quick recap right now, and then we're going to be going and watching them live. So first we'll go over to NVIDIA. Where are we? So NVIDIA in the morning, originally at 9:30 it bounced right off 134 to the penny. So when it came back down, we decided that we were gonna take the low of daybreak, which was 134. So I got in a little bit early, around 134.20, I think. Waited for NQ, momentum to come down and the video weakness, and I ended up selling right around the bottom of this candle, so about 133.80. It wasn't a large move, however the contracts did pay really good. They did move. As you can see, I made $106 on that trade, total of about 5%. Then we'll move on to my next trade, which is Tesla. The pre-market high from today was 285.30. As you can see here, pre-market high. We'll go back to the 1 minute. You see, we came up here. We had a lot of buying pressure on Tesla. It looked very, very strong, which definitely made me interested in it. It was ahead of NQ and also ahead of SPY. We had this very strong power candle, coming up to our level. Now, this does make it a riskier trade because this is a pretty extended candle, so it does raise more grounds for a pullback. However, I did take the trade for the 280 break, and my original target was to sell after the pre-market high. However, I broke this trade down into 2 different trades. We broke 280, but I saw momentum kind of slowing down and the tape wasn't really printing anymore. So there was definitely grounds for a pullback. So I did sell after the 280 break. I sold for a profit. We came back down, we consolidated for 2 candles. And then we came back up and pushed up and broke the pre-market high, and I ended up taking that as a separate trade. So realistically, I could have held, and it would have worked out. However, I felt a lot safer, taking my small scalp, the 280 break, or I keep saying 280, it's 285, guys, sorry. Yeah, so I could have taken my my risk and held on for the pre-market high break. However, I'm happy with what I did. I got out, waited for a pullback and a small consolidation, and then got in again for the pre-market high break of 285 and sold around 285.80. I ended up making $460 today for a total of about 15% gain, which is a solid day for me. We'll move on now to the live trades, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Early here with the potential NQ bounce. That's the extra risk, I suppose. But they're picking up value. I like it. Your safer play as usual if you don't want any sort of volatility is waiting for the actual low.
Frankie, you were watching 80 what on Baba?
I'm watching 88, and then I'm mainly watching 87.80 because there's a double bottom there from the last few days. But I might start an early entry at 88. It just depends how fast we get there.
Okay.
We break like by pennies here. I'm up 5% already. Then I'm probably gonna call this. I don't like the support we're seeing on NQ.
The only problem with Baba Nor is the contracts that don't have volume.
Totally NQ dependent here on when I get out. This could just keep flying. Those contracts are ridiculous. Holy crap, dude.
I caught that with you.
Yeah, those. I mean, those are moving, man.
Yeah, I'm up 5,000. Shout out to Mason.
That's a tiny move for 10% right there. Like what was that, 40 cents?
Yeah, you said I'm in at 134.20.
Like 20? Yeah.
Yeah, around there.
That's sick. It was clean. It just took a minute.
Yeah, it took a little minute actually.
Yeah, it was sketching me out a little bit, man. Yeah, Tesla 285 cracking. The
Yeah.
pre-market high on Tesla's at 285.26. Frankie, you might get that Baba trade tomorrow. That could be really nice.
One of these days it'll happen. I bet it happens pre-market.
Just get another gap fill tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Tesla's a little disrespectful with that 285 break.
It happened? Oh,
Yeah,
no.
bro. It rejected right from the pre-market high.
Yeah,
If you would have waited for that
it broke.
pre-market,
Yeah, I thought it broke it up, son.
It's strong.
my
man.
target on that would have been that pre-market high.
$39.70 looks nice on ES. Might play that if we come back up, like bull flag into that. It all depends.
Wow, Tesla just paid the bills. Did anybody else play that pre-market high break?
Yeah, I played ES right here.
That was nice. $10%.